In today's video, I'm going to teach you automate Google Sheets with zero experience. You don't need to be a coder to make Google Sheets do the boring work for you. If you find yourself reformatting the same report every morning, you're working too hard. The fastest way to fix that is with the built-in macro recorder, which captures your actions and replays them whenever you need. Start by opening the Google Sheet where you usually clean up or format data. Go to the menu at the top, click Extensions, choose Macros, and then select Record Macro. From this moment on, Sheets is paying attention to what you do, almost like a screen recorder for your spreadsheet. Every bold header you apply, every border you draw, every sort, filter, or formula you enter gets recorded in the exact order you perform it. Now, set up your table exactly how you want it to look and behave. Add headings and make them bold. Apply borders and alternating row colors if that helps readability. Fix number formats so dates and currency display correctly. Insert formulas, create filters, and resize columns so everything fits. If you see an option for absolute references while recording, choose what matches your workflow. Absolute if your macro should always touch the same cells, or relative if you want it to adapt based on your current selection. Work on a realistic sample of your data so the macro learns precisely what you expect. When you're done, click Save on the recording bar and give your macro a clear, memorable name. That name is how you'll find it later. Keep in mind that your clicks are saved to this specific spreadsheet, and the best results come when your future data follows the same layout you just recorded. The next time you have a messy list, you won't have to redo any of that setup. Just go back to Extensions, open Macros, and click the name you saved. The first time you run it, Google Sheets may ask for permission to execute the actions you recorded. Grant it, and then watch it fly. In a split second, the macro repeats your exact sequence, formatting, formulas, and all, so your sheet looks polished without you lifting a finger. A few quick tips to get clean results every time. Start the macro on the sheet and range you intend to use. Keep your steps intentional and steady, and maintain a consistent structure for new data so the macro knows where to work. Stop wasting time on repetitive tasks. Save your first macro, run it on tomorrow's data, and let Sheets do the heavy lifting. Hit that follow button to learn how to make Google Sheets do all your work for you.